So today we are going to make a backup circuit using these four relays and some Schottky diode. This Schottky diode to dump back EMF from relay coil. So we are going to achieve a very simple and effective switching operation with these four relays. When there is electricity, my load is going to work with electricity, and the battery side is going to totally isolated with this operation. When there is no power supply, there is no electricity, the circuit is going to switch itself to the battery side, and my load is going to work with battery. When power supply will resume, my circuit is going to disconnect itself from battery, then it is going to connect itself from the electricity. So with this circuit, the both power supply cannot come together at the same time. This is 5-pin relay, this 2.4 coil, and this point is NC with this point and NO with this point. When coil is energized, this point become open and these 2 points become closed. Same for these three relays. I am going to use this 2 relay for electricity and this 2 relay for battery. With this simple circuit, both power supply cannot come together at the same time. When there is no electricity, the circuit first disconnect itself from the electricity side, then it is going to connect itself from the battery source. When electricity will resume, first the circuit is going to disconnect itself from the battery, then going to connect itself from the electricity. In this configuration, both power supply cannot come together at the same time. Now we are going to do wiring according to this circuit diagram, which is very simple. So this is how this circuit looks like. This 2.4 SMPS and this 2.4 battery, and this is for load. So I designed this circuit just for 12 volt. So I'm going to supply 12 volt DC 12 volt, and this is for DC 12 volt from battery, and this is my test load. This is 12 volt fan. So first I'm going to connect this 2 point with SMPS and this 2.4 with battery. Then first I'm going to run it with SMPS, then we are going to switch off SMPS, then this circuit is going to switch itself to battery. Then again I'm going to on my SMPS, then the circuit is going to switch again to the SMPS, and fan will going to run continuously during the switching operation. So there is a problem with the circuit. When I switch off my SMPS, the coil of relay gets power from battery through this 2 point, and they clicks continuously. Now the circuit working very fine after adding a diode. So now the circuit working with SMPS. If I switch off SMPS, and now the fans are working with battery. When again when I switch on SMPS, now fan are working with SMPS, with battery, with SMPS.